Hey there, it's Sean Bailey, the Sales Funnel Nerd, and welcome to this video today where we're going to talk about how to create a marketing funnel. So let's jump into it here, and you can see these are all the steps essentially that are involved in creating a marketing funnel for yourself. And I'm going to go through each one of these steps in detail with you and give you a little bit more info here. But first, let's just talk about why this is important for you. Now here you can see I wanted to explain what this is and why this is so awesome here. So what we're looking at here, I've taken some information from my email autoresponder service, which basically does all the automation for my marketing funnels, right? And what we're seeing here is I took a look here, and for this slice of time, you can see YouTube sent me 176 unique visitors, right? And beside that, you can see I've got a 34% opt-in rate. And what that means is 34% of those people decided to join my list and sign up and get emails from me. Right? But the even better part is that 11% of those people went on to go ahead and buy something from me, actually go and become a customer with me. So that's the great thing about having a marketing funnel in place, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you do it. So let's jump into step number one here. So really, step number one is to know your preliminary information. Who's your ideal customer? What are the demographics involved with that customer? All that kind of information that's in place. Your market, knowing all the information about your market, insider terms, that kind of stuff, and having a solid offer in place. This is all preliminary stuff that you want to have set up before you even kind of do anything with online marketing, any type of funnel. Because otherwise you're just going to waste your time and your money, right? So that's what I mean by preliminary information. So the next step is to map out your funnel. Literally, what does it look like if you had to, kind of draw it out? This just gives you kind of, besides just a visual representation, knowing like certain points in the funnel where conversions are going to happen, where you can go if there's going to be problems or where you need to tweak and improve. You can see and have an idea of where this is in your overall funnel. Right? So you want to map this out and know as far as in this funnel, what are we going to do? This will kind of guide you as far as drawing out the map. Are you testing the water and we're just getting leads because we want to kind of, testing out a new market and seeing what kind of offers they would respond to or what kind of products that they're looking for? Or do we have something established where we're going to go straight to, a high converting VSL? A video sales letter playing on a page, and then underneath that, there's going to be a button to buy. Now, besides that, we can look at, besides all the nifty web components, where does the actual email and physical mail happen? Because there's a lot more to just sending out a whole bunch of emails to people. There's a lot of other traditional ways to market, but we're not going to get too far into that right now. But that's something else you would have included or mapped out in your marketing funnel. So the next step is to actually build the actual web pages that are involved with your funnel. So you're going to have typically maybe some type of landing page where they can put their contact information, their email address, sign up, join your list, do that type of thing. You could have some type of video sales letter set up. It could be something more traditional, like a long form sales letter that looks like some type of editorial, but it's got an order form or a buy button at the bottom. Or it could be some type of bridge page where you establish your own credibility or it's kind of set the stage for people before you take them on to the next step of your funnel. Right? So it all just kind of depends what you're going to be doing with your funnel as far as determining what actual pages that you'll be using. So the next thing is to connect and test your automation, hook it all up and integrate it together and test it out. Right? Send yourself the links, go, if you can set it into test mode and go do a practice purchase on things, just make sure that everything works. Try out the links and everything. It does take a little bit of extra time to do the testing, but in my opinion, it's worth it versus having those kind of oh crap moments when you've actually, you're paying for these mistakes because you've gone and bought traffic when it's for real and you're missing out on customers and it could have all been avoided if you had gone and done a little bit of testing beforehand. So yeah, it'll save you those oh crap moments, and you definitely want to go and do some preliminary testing before you turn the key here. And that's essentially the next step, is to find out some traffic. Now, there's no shortage of traffic options that are available today. And I do mean that literally you could be telling me your results from traffic that you sent to your funnel in 2 hours from now. You could go create an ad, put it on Facebook, and start sending traffic as quickly as your ad is approved, which usually only takes a few minutes from when you actually submit the ad. And that's just Facebook. There's so many social media options that are available, and they're all going to have advertising options that are available. You could do traditional advertising, whether it's local in your paper, something around town, but there's no shortage of ways to send traffic to your funnel, because even though there's the latest fad, whether it's Twitter or Snapchat, and you could advertise on there, is your target audience going to be on there and actually see that, right? So that's something to consider as well as far as when you're going to send traffic. So next thing is to go ahead and analyze the results. So actually get some results for you to analyze. Open that traffic valve and spray some traffic towards your offer. And then after you've done that, then you can look at the numbers and see, did you break even? Did you lose? If so, how much did you lose by? Was it close? From there, can you tweak and actually bring it over and break even or do better? Because it's really easy to tweak and adjust once you've done all the steps in your marketing funnel, and you can look and see, is it not converting on the landing page? Is that the sales page? Or people abandoning on the order page? You can look, see your results, and then adjust from there. And that's when you start to get real serious results, is after you go and make that first initial round, go back and tweak and get more results. So that's it. Those are the 6 steps to creating a marketing funnel. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click on like and subscribe. If you want some more information about creating your own marketing funnel, I'm going to have a thing pop up on the screen. As well, you'll be able to click below in the description. So thanks for watching this. Take action, create your own marketing funnel, and I will see you in the next video.